Moose, Alces are the largest members of the deer family, with adult males, bulls, standing over 6 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing between 800 to 1,500 pounds. They have long legs adapted for walking through deep snow and rough terrain, and their coats are thick and insulated, typically dark brown in color. One of the most striking features of moose is their broad, palmate antlers, which are primarily found on males and can span up to 6 feet in width. Moose are found in boreal and mixed deciduous forests across North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in environments with dense vegetation and access to water, including willow, birch, and aquatic plants. In North America, they are distributed from Alaska and Canada southward through the Rocky Mountains and into parts of the northern United States. In Europe, they inhabit Scandinavia, Russia, and the Baltic states, while in Asia, they can be found in Siberia, Mongolia, and parts of China. Moose are primarily herbivorous, feeding on a variety of plant materials throughout the year. Their diet includes leaves, twigs, bark, and aquatic vegetation such as pondweed and water lilies. During winter, they rely heavily on browse, including the tender shoots of woody plants, supplemented with mosses and lichens where available. Moose are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the early morning and late evening hours. They are generally solitary animals outside of the mating season, with adult males becoming more territorial and aggressive during the rut, which typically occurs from late September to early November. During this period, bulls compete vigorously for mating rights with females, using their antlers to spar and establish dominance. Moose have a gestation period of approximately 230 days, with calves typically born in late May to early June. Calves are precocial, able to stand and walk shortly after birth, and they stay with their mothers for about a year, learning essential survival skills before becoming independent. The mating season is a critical time for moose populations, with competition among males and successful reproduction ensuring the continuation of the species. Moose populations face various threats across their range. Habitat loss due to human development, climate change impacting their northern habitats, and predation by wolves and bears are significant concerns. Additionally, moose are susceptible to diseases and parasites, such as winter ticks, which can cause mortality and affect population dynamics. Conservation efforts focus on managing populations sustainably through habitat conservation, regulated hunting practices, and monitoring of disease outbreaks. Moose hold cultural significance in many indigenous cultures, where they are valued for their meat, hides, and antlers. In modern times, they are also important for ecotourism, attracting visitors to wilderness areas to observe and photograph these majestic creatures in their natural habitats. Ecologically, moose play a vital role as browsers and grazers, influencing the structure and composition of forest ecosystems through their feeding habits. Their presence creates habitats for other species and affects vegetation dynamics, supporting biodiversity and ecosystem health. In conclusion, moose are not only remarkable for their size and antlers, but also for their role in maintaining healthy forest ecosystems. Understanding their biology, behavior, and conservation needs is crucial for their survival and the preservation of the habitats they depend on.